I'm so ghetto. You can tell by the way that I step when I walk in the club.
What's up, motherfuckers? Welcome to Ghetto News, Ghetto News. People think keep it clean, you know what I mean? God damn it. Yes, I'm in the shower. I gotta report the news, y'all. I gotta report the news. And I got a motherfucking tea in my hand while I'm in the motherfucking shower. Somebody fucking business. But anyway, we got a video right here of a woman in Walmart coughing on a motherfucking employee. I don't know why. Even though I watched the video, I still don't know why. It gives you a reason to cough and spit on somebody in public because they're not trying to take care of your order while you're in the fucking line. Check this shit out.
This bitch is going crazy. Look. Look at her.
I'm trying to see what I purchased. You guys are so dumb. Walmart? You guys like working for Walmart? Let's call 911.
Call 911.
This is how you do it. 911 when you want to get through the line.
Or you
Or you
leave.
go to some other line.
Or you
How
leave.
old are you, woman?
Or you just go to another store.
Yes, move her out the way, please.
Let's just do great plan for sure.
We got kids and babies over here. Move. Wow.
She's coughing on him.
Wow.
She's spitting on him.
Oh, she's spitting. I got it all on camera.
Yes, I paid for it.
No, you did not. I canceled after transaction, ma'am. Please exit.
Give me a receipt.
You do not need a receipt.
I
You
was
made no
waiting
purchase.
here under your threat.
Got it?
I'm gonna ask you to shut the fuck up and get the fuck away from me before I slice your neck with my spit again. Did you even see where it landed?
I'm getting it all.
Right there.
Oh, I'm
Huh?
sorry.
Did you just do this in the bathroom, manager?
Hi, this is the White Rico Walmart.
Don't be a bitch.
And grab the means of finance.
Okay, you got it.
Assistant manager, please.
Thank you. I'm just trying to get you out.
White Rico Walmart.
My credit
Actually, you know what?
card.
I don't
Everybody
want
is
her.
ridiculous.
I don't want her off the property. I have called PD. They are on their way. She spit on me, which
I
is
coughed.
action
You
of
see
assault.
how easy it is to get the phlegm out? It's a lesson.
I have it on video, so.
It's called
spitting on
get your phlegm out because that's where you're getting the fat out. And the fat holds the toxins and the fucking viruses.
Ma'am?
You think I'm just having fun being a stupid blonde?
Would you like to go?
Yeah,
in?
I just decided that I just wanted to be born to be a stupid blonde. Yeah, like I am the only fucking blonde here. Who are you with your face all like that? I don't get any enjoyment from slapping you because your head would be rolling in the aisles. Do it, I'm gonna jail. Do it. No, I wouldn't. My husband knows a lot more than yours does. And look, you can't even take your
Ma'am,
carpet out
please-
very well.
Please speak to us.
That means she's doing fine. You guys are so dumb. Oh my god. Do I have to do another lesson? What? No. Here, just eat some sugar so that your brain is work. Yes. It's called carbohydrate.
I wish you would throw that over here with my fucking my son over here.
Victoria,
Really?
Stop trying to get my attention, little blonde cunt.
can you ask Victoria to move the register?
Bitch, you can get that ass beat real quick over these ones over here.
Did you guys say any shit you feel like? What do you want to know? You need some answers to seeking enlightenment? To being a good Christian?
You're good. She just messing with some ghetto people right here, though. So, like,
Huh?
Oh, you're making the baby cry, you guys.
well, you did.
I'm sorry, I don't
Please
think
don't
I
engage
did.
with her.
He's upset at you for making me cry.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Cocaine and cold bed is one hell of a drug. Bitch, you need to get you some dick and sit the fuck down. Damn, shit. If you talking about what your husband doing, he probably ain't giving you no dick, bitch. So if that's the case, why the fuck are you there starting shit? Gotta love the shower, shit. Anyway, what this girl did right here was some dumbass shit. You feel me? She need her ass beat. You feel me? One of them motherfucker customers need to whip this bitch ass. Because I understand the man, he don't want to do it because he need his damn job. But if it was me, fuck that job. Bitch, the virus is real. I'm not trying to get the COVID-19, bitch. You gonna get 19 blows to the head, bitch. Real. I had to call my sister to come and give you 19 hands to the fucking head. Trust and believe. Something gonna be done. Because what you doing right here is uncalled for. You up here coughing on motherfuckers, knowing that this virus is real. People dying and shit. You probably one of the bitches that's touching the food and shit. Coughing, touching the food and shit. Spitting on fucking employees and shit. Bitch, you need your ass. Real. And catch the COVID-19, bitch. This video long as fuck. I know it is. The girl told the woman, I'll throw the candy bar near me and my fucking child. Cause bitch, I would whoop your ass. I wish she would have just whooped the bitch ass. And I understand the man didn't want to do it. And I know men are supposed to hit women, but I felt like you should get a pass if a bitch spit on you doing the damn coronavirus and shit. Cause that's an attempted murder, bitch. Cause not everybody who get the COVID-19 survives. Too many people dropping like flies out here. But if a bitch spit on me, you already know, shit. Anyway, check out all my other fucking videos on my channel, Ghetto News. Subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Yes, goddamn, I'm in the fucking shower. But someone needs to report the fucking news to y'all. Y'all don't know what the fuck going on. Check out all my other videos. If you don't want to, fuck you too. Thanks for watching, Ghetto News. Keep me clean, as you can see. Motherfucking shower, keep me clean, baby. If you know what I mean.